guys, it's me, Christina, and as you can tell, we're in the kitchen. I'm rarely ever in the kitchen because I'm not the best cook, but I do enjoy baking. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be whipping up some Oreo Rice Krispies, and let me tell you how good these are. We call them crack Krispies because they're that addicting. You're not gonna go back for like seconds, and third, you're probably gonna damn near finish the whole thing just like me and Chelsea have. We've had to check ourselves because we're gaining maybe a little, maybe a lot according to weight. But I felt like with Valentine's Day coming around, it'd be the perfect time to treat yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like, make these for the kids, make this for yourself, make this for you and your partner. You won't regret it. Or maybe you will, I'm not sure. So you might be mad at me after sharing this recipe with you because they're just that good. They're so bomb. And they're really easy to make, which is dangerous because all you need, it's like a regular Rice Krispie recipe with Oreos in it. Now I feel like this is something, you know, that's probably out there on the internet or on YouTube already, but I'm trying to revive this because we've been obsessed with this ever since my sister introduced us. She got the recipe from her friend Mary Ann, and whew, man, these are so good. They're so fucking addicting. They're so bomb on a whole nother level. Like, they take Rice Krispies to a whole nother level. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be just whipping up some Oreo Rice Krispies. I'll also show you the ingredients, measurements, all of that stuff in the instructions. I'll put that in the bottom bar so when you go back to this video, you don't have to watch the whole thing. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I do have 2 other videos coming out. They're more home related, home decor style videos. Like this video if you wanna see more content, me in the kitchen, and comment down below after you've tried this recipe and tell me what you think. Am I hyping these up too much? I know they're probably not the healthiest thing, but like I said, it's Valentine's. Treat yourself any day of the week, whenever you want. Treat yourself, you deserve it. So if you want to see how I make these Oreo Rice Krispies, then just keep on watching.
Any kind of Oreos will do, but these Oreo minis were all I had left in the cabinet. Major tip, crush the Oreos to a chunky consistency exactly like this. If you don't have non-stick cooking spray, you can also use oil or butter. First thing you want to do is line your cake pan with foil. This makes it a lot easier for the Rice Krispies to slide out of the pan. Next, I coat the foil with non-stick cooking spray. Set aside 1 cup of reserved marshmallows from your 10-ounce bag for later. Turn on your stove to medium-high heat and add your butter to the pot. Keep the butter moving as it starts to melt. Once the butter has melted to a golden color, go ahead and add the rest of your 10-ounce bag of marshmallows. Stir until all the marshmallows and butter have melted and mixed together. Next, add your salt and mix. Add your vanilla extract and mix again. Once your mixture has become a smooth consistency, go ahead and take your pot off the heat and add in your Rice Krispies cereal. Begin to fold the mixture and Rice Krispies cereal until it's thoroughly coated. Now add your chunks of Oreos. Do the same thing and continue to fold the crushed Oreos into the Rice Krispies mixture. Turn the stove back on to low heat and add your reserved marshmallows to the mixture. Continue to mix thoroughly until the marshmallows begin to melt. You'll find that the mixture is ready when the marshmallows begin to turn into a gooey texture. remove the pot from the heat. This part is key because the Rice Krispies can easily burn. Pour the Rice Krispies directly into the cake pan. We ended up switching to a wooden spoon because the Rice Krispies were sticking to the pot. Another huge tip is to save your paper wrapping that your butter sticks come in. This makes it a lot easier to press your Rice Krispies into the pan form without sticking. Let it set for 2 to 3 hours depending on the size of your pan.
3 hours later.
Flip the pan over and remove the Rice Krispies. Carefully remove the foil. Slice into bars and enjoy.